All right, onto our shelves. We've got these little light pipes in here, these lucite light pipes, which are just going to be in the way as we try to drill in through the top, assuming that's where you come. You can go a few different places because, as you can see, that circuit board leaves a little bit of room. For me, I want to come out at the top. So I'm going to use these dikes, and I'm just going to snip off where they have these things sort of plastic welded on in a couple of places. And then once I've done that, all these things do is take the LEDs that are on that board and they make this light up. Which, yep, neat trick. But the whole idea here in installing these pigtails is so that I can just put this thing down in my network room where I'm never going to see it. So I really don't care whether the things light up or not. Flat-bladed screwdriver, bye-bye. Flat-bladed screwdriver, bye-bye. Now you take the thing, put it back together, at least up towards the top. I'm going to put some clamps on this so that it will hold it together while I drill.